Hello guys, welcome to Vipul Graphics. Today I'm going to teach you about zoom in zoom out tool. So as always, don't waste without your time. Let's get started. So guys, first of all, you will have to select the zoom tool. If you press Z key in your keyboard, so it will be automatically selected, as that you can see. I press Z. So guys, if you want to zoom in this area of star, so first of all you should drag and drop like this. That's it. So guys, we have another option as that you can see on your screen above side properties bar. If you're not showing on your screen, so first of all you have to click here, right, and you can see properties bar, so you have to check here. So guys, you can see properties bar. First option is zoom levels. Zoom levels shows you a flyer you which you can choose according to you. I want 200% and 25%. Say this image is zoom out. So guys, we have here second option is zoom in. Zoom in shows you like this, zoom in, and here zoom out. And it's a shortcut key control plus plus, zoom in and zoom out control plus minus. So guys, we have another option, zoom to selected. Zoom to selected means if you want to zoom to particular object, first of all you have to select that, then click zoom to selected, so it has been zoomed like this. So it's a shortcut key shift plus F2, shift plus F2, so it has been zoomed, you can see. So guys, we have another option is zoom to all objects. If you want to zoom to all subjects, so press F4, all object in fit. So guys, we have another option, zoom to page. Shortcut key is shift plus F4, as that you can see on screen. So I click here, you can see this page is zoom out and fit on your screen. Zoom to width, this works like this, and zoom to page height, this works like this. Okay guys, that's it.